Shlokas for kids. Ganapati Shloka. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoటి Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Meaning, O God with a curved trunk and large body, your aura is like the light of many suns. Please make our work free from obstacles forever. Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Diyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Meaning, O Divine Mother, our hearts are filled with darkness. Please remove this darkness and fill our hearts with the light of true knowledge. Deepa Jyoti Shloka. Shubham karoti kalyanam Arogyam dhana sampada Shatru buddhi vinashaya Deepajyotir namostute. I fold my hands before the divine light that brings prosperity, auspiciousness, good health, abundance of wealth, and destroys the enemy's intellect. Shanti Mantra. Om Asato Ma Sadgamaya Tamaso Ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Meaning, Om, lead us from unreality to reality, from darkness to light, from the fear of death to the knowledge of immortality. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Guru Shloka. Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Param Brahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Meaning, a teacher is the living representative of Lords Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. A teacher is the embodiment of Supreme Being. I bow down to such a teacher. Shiva Yajur Shloka. Karpura Gauram Karunavataram Samsarasaram Bhujagendraharam Sada Vasantam Hridayaravinде Bhavam Bhavani Sahitam Namami. Meaning, the one as pure as camphor, the personification of compassion, the essence of the word with the serpent as garland, the one who resides in pure hearts and is accompanied by Goddess Bhavani. I bow to that Shiva. Krishna Stuti. त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव. Meaning, you are my mother and my father. You are my brother and my friend. You are my knowledge and my wealth. O the God of gods, you are my everything. सरस्वती श्लोक. सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. Meaning, O Goddess Saraswati, salutations to you. O giver of boons, O Karma Rupini, I am going to start my studies. May I be successful always. Vishnu Mangalam Mantra. ॐ मङ्गलं भगवान् विष्णुः मङ्गलं गरुडध्वजः मङ्गलं पुण्डरीकाक्ष मङ्गलाय तनोहरिः. Meaning, all auspiciousness to Lord Vishnu, the one who has Garuda as his mount and has eyes like lotus flower. All auspiciousness to Lord Hari. Hanuman Shloka. बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वम् अरोगता अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनुमत्स्मरणात् भवेत्. Meaning, I pray to Lord Hanuman, who showers us with strength, fearlessness, courage, knowledge, and protects us all times. Brahma Mantra. Om Vedatmane Vidmahe हिरण्यगर्भाय धीमहि तन्नो ब्रह्म प्रचोदयात्. ॐ चतुर्मुखाय विद्महे हंसारूढाय धीमहि तन्नो ब्रह्म प्रचोदयात्. Meaning, I meditate to Lord Brahma, the soul of the Vedas, O the God with 4 faces who holds the universe within and rides the swan, give me higher intellect and illuminate my mind. Durga Mantra. सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते. Meaning, O the most auspicious one, Lord Shiva's counterpart, who manifests all desires, you protect those who surrender to you. O Gauri, Mother of the 3 worlds, we worship you again and again. Lakshmi Shloka. नमस्तेस्तु महामाये श्रीपीठे सुरपूजिते शङ्खचक्रगदाहस्ते महालक्ष्मी नमोस्तुते. Meaning, O great goddess situated at Sri Pita, who is worshipped by the gods, greetings to you. O Mahalakshmi holding the conch, disc, wand and mace in her hand, I bow to you.